Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to add team members into your TenantCloud account. Team members are people who are a part of your internal team, such as maintenance technicians, leasing agents, property managers, or other personnel that are directly a part of your property management team. However, you don't typically want to share your primary login with team members, and for that, you want to be able to set them up with their own unique logins. Along with unique logins, you may want to set permissions for each of those team members as well and designate which properties they should be able to access. This is helpful in the event that you have a larger portfolio. Let's say you have 20, 30, or even 50 properties, but your maintenance tech, for instance, only needs to access 10 or 15 of those properties because that's the only number of properties that they interact with on a day-to-day basis. So to get started, you simply go up to the settings button in the upper right corner of your account, go down to the team management section and select roles and permissions. From here, you're going to see a button that says invite team member. Simply select this button and enter in the information for the particular team member that you want to invite to help you manage your rental property. All right, now that you have successfully entered the information for the team member, you also want to select which properties they are going to have access to. So we'll go through and select those properties right now. And you want to make sure that the email address that you enter here is the email address that they are going to be using for logging into the TenantCloud platform. So if they have a company email address, you'll want to make sure that that is the one that they're using to log in the event that you have them logging into official company software systems using that email address. Once you're done, simply select Send Invitation. Once you have sent the invitation, the team member will receive an email with a unique link that they can select to go and create their login information, including a password. While that is happening, you can select the permissions tab and go in here and set all of the permissions for this particular team member. You can select view all and manage all if it is a power user on your account, or if it is somebody who just needs limited access, you can simply select to view and manage individual parts of your account. You may want your maintenance techs to only have limited access to the things that they interact with on a day-to-day basis. So in that case, you would select maintenance requests. In the event that it is a leasing agent, you may just want them to be able to handle things like rental applications and perhaps online payments and being able to view those and maybe even managing those. You may want them to be able to view and manage File Manager and other parts of your TenantCloud system. Once you are satisfied with the settings, simply select Update, and it will update that team member's access in terms of permissions. Now, if you ever need to modify those or the property access for a particular team member, simply come back into your team management tool and select the permissions button to modify permissions based on their role in the event that somebody gets promoted, for instance, and needs more access or different types of access in your account, or whether or not you have moved them to different properties and they've taken on different roles elsewhere. You can modify on an individual property level who has access to each particular property from the property permissions tab. And that is how easy it is to add a team member to your TenantCloud account. To get started for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click sign up today.